So this is the one we've been waiting for. Vanquish Stance, and we've got the SCX10 Pro. No wheels on this fella because we're going to use the same wheels and tyres on both. And we're going to use the 4.75 tyres that came with the Stance, and we're going to compare them. Now, this does come as a kit, but this is the RTR Stance. This, I don't know if it comes as an RTR, but it certainly is a kit, the Pro, and I've currently got it in a stock loadout. It has an unnecessarily heavy brushless motor. It's got an AX system in it. I have been meaning to change it, but I haven't yet. So we've got brushless power system and brushless 45 kilo steering on this guy. So on paper, the Pro here should have the advantage. This just has a cheaper brushed motor and the more basic VS1 servo, whatever rebadge thing that is. But it still should be plenty for the kind of truck it is. So we're going to make a little course out here at the Yuyangs today. I'm going to see how they crawl. We're going to pick the same lines and we're just going to compare the two. This is not going to be scientific, but we are using the same wheels and tyres. I'm particularly interested in seeing the difference with the straight axle Pro, SCX10 Pro, and the portaled Vanquish Stance. Otherwise, we have fairly similar vehicles. Let's see how they go. Time starts now for the VRD Stance. Oh, already a bad start. I can't touch any of the gates. We might just avoid one. Yep, there was a mill in it. I didn't touch it. Nice. Gate 1 is clear. I've set these gates according to WRCCA standard. They have the requisite gap between them and precious little more. That was gate 2 cleared. Now gate 3 is an uphill. This is going to unsettle the vehicle pretty badly. I think what we should have done is tried for the bonus first. That's all right. I've got 5 minutes for this course. That's my... Oh, there's a gate touch. No, too late now. There we go. We've cleared 3. Whoops. Take it easy, Craig. Still in frame. 4 is down the hill. We're just going to try for the bonus. We're going to skip past 2, skip past 1. So this is a technically demanding course that I've built, and I don't know that it's going to be able to do them, but we're going to try. Gee, we're on the edge of traction there. We've already touched that gate. There's a reverse. That's 3 reverses for this attempt. We might need to come further from uphill and cut across if we can't get up this way. Yeah. 4 reverses. The bonuses only count if you finish on time. No, 5 reverses. Can't do it, we tried. We've had 1 gate touch and 5 reverses. We're going to line up for gate... Oh, I'm not watching, sorry. Pausing time. I'm not going to count that because I was actually looking at the camera. It's difficult to film and do technical driving at once, so we're going to make sure we're in frame. I'm going to start time again and continue from where we were. We've had 1 gate touch and 5 reverses. Time on. Alright, we've done 4. 5 is through here. We're at 2 minutes 10 in. Don't really have time to muck around, unfortunately. Side hilling, that's not bad actually, but we're going to touch, we're about to lose it. Oh, we didn't touch it, look at that, that's 5 clear. We're going to need a reverse for 6, that's 6 reverses. Gate 6 is downhill, gate 7 is uphill. I do apologise, pausing time, I do apologise if you can't see this. We're going to bring the camera across. So we came across at 7. Time is on, gate 7 is going to be a difficult one. We've had 6 reverses and 1 gate touch so far. No gate touches there, we're good. A rollover, so we've had a rollover. 6 gate touches, 6 reverses and 1 gate touch rather. We might need to touch this lower gate maybe. No, we don't, look at that. That's 7 done. Coming across to 8. I apologise if that was off camera. I've set a rather technical little crawl for myself here. Pausing time, moving the camera. Time's back on at 3:13. We've cleared 8 gates. We've had 1 gate touch, I think 1 rollover and 6 reverses. That's gate 9 clear. We've still got time for these bonuses, so we'll give them a go. These are difficult ones. I wasn't sure if we'd be able to do it, but we'll give them a go. Alright, there's one, no worries. I think it'll do this one easily then. Sorry, pardon the constant camera shifts here. I'm attempting something difficult, filming and difficult driving. Let's cross the line in 4 minutes and 6. So that was the VRD stance. We had 6 reverses, 1 rollover, 1 gate touch. Let's see now. I'll get the wheels onto the Pro and we'll see how it goes on the same course. And now it's time for the SCX10 Pro. Time starts now. I did notice these wheels are quite thin. You want thicker hex nuts on the Pro if you're going to run these wheels from the VRD stance. Already the lack of portals showing an issue. And these wheels, these tyres don't really have clearance on this body, so be aware. There's one reverse. There we go. There we go, get one. 2. One reverse. Pausing time. Remember, we're trying to make a video here. Pausing time and stuff with the camera messed me up, mate. Same problem anyway, doesn't matter. So 2 reverses now. There we go. 2 reverses. Gate 3 is done. 3 reverses. Gate 4. Clear. Do we try for this bonus gate? I think we do. Where's 5? There. There's a car in the way. 4 reverses I think it is. Now, no portals. Means we have a lower center of gravity. Doesn't mean the weight's been set up better though. It just means we have a little step up, but look at that. It'll do it. Come on. We're in danger of touching that left bonus gate. I'm trying to avoid it, but I don't think we can. I think we're just going to eat it. Come on. Yep. Alright, we got the bonus, but we hit the gate, so it kind of paid for itself. I think that's 5 reverses. Forgive me if I've lost count there. Where's 5? 5 is across. So theoretically side hilling should be better, all things being equal otherwise, here than on the stance because of those lack of portals, but it's not definite, it's just, again, it's a helpful start. There's problem, gate 5 done, problem 5. Carefully down to 6. Oh, I forgot about the camera, forgetting that I'm filming. Right, 6 is a downhill. We can ignore the body touching of the tyres because we touched the gate then, that's 2 gate touches, that's a shame. It did it. 6 reverses. So we've had 2 gate touches, 6 reverses. Got to come from further across. 7 reverses. 8 reverses, and another gate touch. That was unfortunate. All right, that's the line, that's the line. All right, we'll pause here. All right, time's back on. We're at 4 minutes and 9 already. The stance had finished at 4:06. Struggling considerably more with the SCX10 Pro with this wheel and tire combo. You know, it's funny, the Pro feels more locked in. 9 reverses I think we're up to. Yeah, the Pro feels more locked in. Certainly the lower center of gravity is good, but the lack of portals in particular, I'm sorry about this framing, the lack of portals in particular I'm really feeling. Like I sure would love to have portals. 2 bonuses done. 40% overdrive on this guy, as opposed to the 24% in the stance. $4.59. All right. What you just watched then was the SCX10 Pro. We had 10 reverses, that's 1 point each. 3 gate touches, that's 10 points each. 3 bonus gates, that's minus 10 points each. And passing each gate gives you -2. So the best possible score on a 10 gate course with 3 bonuses is -50. Lower is better. We got -10 with the Pro. VRD Stance had 6 reverses, 1 rollover, that's worth 5. 1 gate touch and 2 bonuses for a score of -19. -19 in 4 minutes and 6. -10 in 4:59. I have driven these after filming each time, and the Pro I got -20, and the VRD Stance I got -25. I didn't have that rollover, but I had the same number of gate touches. I consistently had a better run with the Stance than with the Pro. The biggest weakness of the Pro, I think, was the breakover. I really missed the portals. Biggest weakness of this guy, I think, was a feeling of less precision in the steering. But we've got a much cheaper servo here. Now I'm going to kit this out with competition level servo motor and ESC, and I rather suspect this thing's going to do even better. Get a little bit more weight on the front just to fix it up a little bit more, and I think we'll do better again. I personally like the VRD Stance like this, but wait. In the not too distant future, once I'm back on deck, I'm still in the middle of my health improvements, but once I'm back on deck, assuming we're all good, and we should be, I'm going to do all the updates that I referred to on a previous video when I did the stance video. All the updates, I've got them already on my bench. It's about 200 bucks worth of stuff to improve the 10 Pro. We're also going to use a lighter weight ESC and motor, and we might put wider hex nuts on to suit these. You could even put portals on this. If you had portals on the Pro, my feeling is this would probably be better than the Stance, or at least equal to it. I like the feeling of this better, which is why I say that, but without any shadow of a doubt, objectively, the Stance is the better car here today on this course in my hands while trying to film. Not particularly scientific. I'm a consistent driver even when I'm fuzzy upstairs, which I definitely am today, but we still got through the course. Both of them finished on time. In a comp, they'd both be okay runs. They'd put you middle of the pack. A better driver, I think, could probably do wonders with either car, but I think you'd actually have an easier time with the Stance on this kind of course. Portals, I think, is the biggest difference. I hope that was useful to you. No doubt the conversation will continue in the comments, so by all means have a chat, ask me questions, discuss different wheels, what you'd probably want to do with the 2 cars. I find it quite useful and interesting. Now, the gates I'm using, they're free. I built them. I built this as well to hold them all. There's a bit of foam in the bottom of it. I designed this to go with the gates I designed. They stick just fine on the rocks. RC-TNT.com is where you'll find them. They're available to download for free to 3D print yourself. Go grab yourself a set. What a great little set of comp gates. So grab that, and they come with the 3 bonus gates as well. So check that out. Throw me a like. Many thanks for watching. It's so nice to be back on camera. I'll catch you guys again soon-ish. Cheers.